Actually, the way I was manifesting powers, we got little stuck. Why, most of you guys are already corrupted by the Western logic Vatavarana. So you just started translating all my initiations into a small utility value and started looking only into that and started focusing only into that instead of focusing into oneness. Understand? I am not alternative lifestyle for you. I am oneness for you. When the power manifestors, whether balasans or adults, have started looking at a small, narrow view and started perceiving me as an alternative lifestyle, you stopped looking at the source, and power manifestation has stopped with the one or two manifestations which has happened. I don't know how many of you are understanding. A tree is beautifully coming. First the fruits are happening. The first flowers are happening. You eat few flowers, so tasty, and you pluck all the flowers. How will the fruit come? So when I initiate you into length, your ability to solve all the logic questions is one flower. But you are so glamored about the flower, entertained about the flower, engrossed into the flower. You forgot the root. When you forget the root and remove the flower from the source, how can fruit happen? Now my job is getting you back to the original length dimension, not just logic. Logic is one aspect of length. Chemistry, biology, geology, all are part of the length dimension. Through the length dimension power manifestation, you can tell how many drop water is in Ganges now. From Tapovan, where Ganga originates, until Ganga Sagar, where she merges into ocean. You can count and tell the drop. Understand? I am not telling you stories. Length dimension is million times more than the logic. But when you started manifesting one power logic and your head started going crazy, cranky, whether you understood or not understood, whether you accepted or not accepted, you got oriented on one and you got centered on force, left the understanding of power. Understand? As long as powers are side effect of you, you are Shiva. When you get centered, when you give attention to the powers, gone. Then they get converted into force. All struggle is when you put your focus on the force. I think power manifestors should know now. This is one of the important click. Whether you manifest or not, focus should be on the source. More and more on oneness, more and more on rotation, swapradakshina. Your existence, your reality. It should be on this, then this will automatically happen. If you have sincerely tried to manifest powers, you will know the problem about which I am talking. And you should crack this code today. You will see power manifestation happening. Anybody who thinks very strongly, power manifestation is not for me, means you are completely centered on force, logic. You don't know the logic of power. Or you think, I will not be able to know, which is also not right. How can you not know the logic of your existence when you are still alive? If you are dead and you say, I don't know how my heart is functioning, that can be accepted. But you are alive and your heart is functioning, pumping. How can you say, I don't know how my heart is functioning? No. When you are alive, you may not know. You can't say, I will not be able to know. How many of you come to the conclusion, power manifestation is not for me, I cannot manifest? Now drop. Today understand. Focus on the happenings of inside when you declare oneness. The fears rising, anxiety rising, inability rising, all your past failures rising, frustrations rising. Focus there. Bring more completion there. Bring more oneness there. Bring more trust there. Bring more understanding there. You will crack the code. Crack the code. If you crack the code, you will manifest powers. The difference between Siddhi and Shakti. Siddhi is force, Shakti is power. Shakti is mother, Siddhi is Chitti, stepmother. Understand? Force is different and powers are different. I think with this click, with this understanding, see, declare oneness from your inner space. Whatever comes out, attend to it, complete with it, work on it, and again go for oneness. You will see powers manifesting left and right. What Atma Murti? Atma itself will be attracted towards you. Come on. With this understanding, let's manifest powers today. Atma Murti challenge with this understanding. With this understanding, what Atma Murti's weight? Atma's weight itself you can pull. Come on. Let's manifest powers with this understanding today. So, I highly recommend everyone to sign up to become part of the Nityananda Sangha, so we can continue to support you, manifest the state, space and powers of Mahasadashiva. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Maha Sadashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.